This is not only the first time I've been off-roading with the 4Runner, but pretty much the first time I've ever been off-roading. My background when it comes to vehicles is drag racing. So off-roading is completely new to me, and I'm super excited to be able to take a vehicle that I own off-road. I found this incredible website, AUTOBOTS.net, and it gave a list of trails throughout Arizona by location and then by a ranking of 1 to 10 from easy to most difficult. So I chose a trail that was close to my house and a trail that was on the easy side since it was my first time, and I just kind of want to get a feel for the 4Runner. So this is where I ended up. It's called Bog Ranch Trail, and it's a hard turn left off of the lake heading into Lake Pleasant, and then to me it was a pretty steep hill down into the wash, and then once you're in the wash, it was relatively easy. So it's just a rocky and sandy road, and I just wanted to get a feel for the truck, as I said, and get some footage. So this is just driving through, and we found some wildlife and some very good areas to take some pictures, and that's about it. So enjoy the little trip, and I look forward to making some more videos of some more difficult trails that we're going to hit in the near future here. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave any comments below. And I'm also going to put a link to azoffroad.net if you are in Arizona and you want to check out some of the trails. I strongly recommend their website. Once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe and like, and I have a lot more content coming out soon. Have a great one, guys.